Okay, welcome back to Broken the Air Travel. We are here at the Renaissance Newark Airport Hotel in Elizabeth, which is technically just off the airport grounds. This is, of course, our PQP run. This is the club suite on the top floor of the hotel. Nice little Art Deco lamp there. Nice little kitschy couch as well. Surprisingly cozy, I must say. Very surprisingly cozy. Very interesting metal tables. Glass work desk. Main TV. Power console, safe. Dresser, drawers. Fridge. And coffee bar. Main bathroom, standalone sink, shower, a tub too. Those are becoming increasingly rare in hotels as hotels switch to a more all shower layout. Amenities provided by Kevin and Murphy. Main little hallway of the suite. Now, you will never run out of place to plug your stuff in here in the suite. Press to reset, and there's 4 power outlets right in there. Main king-size bed. It's the feature of the room. I like the steel and wood ensemble here. See the view, shall we? A pretty nice view. Honestly, it's pretty nice actually, and astonishing. Of course, I should expect nothing less from the 10th floor. But yeah, that is the Renaissance Newark Hotel. One important note to make is that contrary to what you'll find in Google reviews and even Google AI, there is no set restaurant on the premises. They did have the Ironbound restaurant at one time, but no longer. So if you want anything to eat, you have to be content with their little cafe or order out. They do have a list of menus and of restaurants. You can call, or there's always Uber Eats or DoorDash too. But yeah, I will give a final score at the end of my stay. Right now, it's shaping up to be a solid 8.0 out of 10. See you in the air. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And hit the bell icon. Bye.